Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa. Today we're going to talk about how to use feel like correctly. So you can say, I want to eat a burger, or I feel like eating a burger. The meaning is the same, but the structure is different. I want to eat a burger. We always use the infinitive with the verb want. I want to eat a burger. But when you say I feel like, always use a gerund. I feel like eating a burger. I feel like eating a burger. Feel like is always followed by a gerund. I feel like eating a burger. What do you feel like eating? Great job. I want to go for a walk. Do you feel like going for a walk? Great job. I don't feel like going anywhere. I want to stay home because I'm tired. What do you feel like doing today? Great job. So you can say, I want to eat a burger, or I feel like eating a burger. I want to go for a walk, or I feel like going for a walk. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and practice speaking English, subscribe to our channel. Bye!